Good morning everyone. I'm Jesse Joseph. Welcome back to my channel. This is the 8th video in my series English Grammar Fundamentals. In the previous video we learnt about articles and its different uses. If you haven't watched it already, please check out the link in the description box. Today we will be learning more about articles and its uses. Yeah, we'll be continuing with the topic articles. Uses of definite article. As you know that the definite article is the. When we use superlatives, superlative means in adjectives, superlative degree when we are using, you have to add the with the word. For example, the darkest cloud has a silver lining. We added the with the darkest because the word darkest is in superlative degree, and that is why we have to add the with the word. With ordinals, he was the first man to arrive. The first man. First is again your superlative degree. So, the first man to arrive. Before the musical instruments, he can play the flute. Now, uses of definite articles. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood, the poor are always with us. Here see the word poor is particular here. We are definite about it. That is why when we frame a sentence, you must add the with the definite word. For example, the poor are always with us. Before the adjective, here the word poor is adjective, and that is why we added the with the word. The poor are always with us. Before a noun, to give force of a superlative, the verb is the word. The verb is the word. Now, as an adverb with comparatives, the more the merrier. See, the word the is used twice here because when you compare two things, you must again add the with it. So, in conclusion, we must add with the superlative degree words and with the adjectives. The is added. The uses of indefinite article. What is indefinite article? A or an. When we use indefinite articles, we have to, let us see how we have to use a. In its original numerical sense of 1, 12 inches make a foot. In the vague sense of a certain, one evening a beggar came to my door. I am not particular about which beggar, from where he came, but a beggar came to my door. In the sense of any, to single out an individual as the representative of a class, a pupil should obey his teacher. To make a common noun of a proper noun, a Daniel come to judgment. Here, what is a proper noun? Daniel. We don't know which Daniel, but a Daniel came or come to judgment. Now, how we can use omit the use of article? Omission of article. Let us listen carefully. Before the names of substances and abstract nouns, that is, uncountable nouns used in a general sense. Here, the substance sugar is an uncountable noun. Sugar is bad for the teeth. We don't say the sugar is bad for your teeth, but we have to omit the use of article here. Neither we use an, or the here. We have to say sugar is bad for your teeth. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is again a substance or a metal. Here we don't specify it with article. We have to avoid using, or you have to omit using article. Instead of using a, an or the, we say gold is a precious metal. Before plural countable nouns used in a general sense. For example, we don't say that the children unless it is specified. We can say children like chocolates. It is considered in general. Computers are used in many offices. We don't use articles here also. Computers is generalized. The word computer is generalized here. We don't use article here at all. Computers are used in many offices. Before names of meals. What time do you have lunch? We don't say the lunch, a lunch, or an lunch. Is incorrect. Instead of that, we say what time you have lunch. Dinner is ready. Remember, we have omitted using articles with these meals. Before languages, we are studying English. We don't say we are studying the English. That is incorrect. Remember, we have to omit usage of article when we speak about any language. We are studying English. English is a language. Before school, college, church, bed, table, hospital, market, prison, etc. When these places are visited or used for their primary purpose, we don't use articles. For example, I learned French at at this place. We have omitted using the with the language again. Before names of relations. For example, father has returned. Aunt wants you to see her. Father and aunt are relatives. We don't say the father has returned. Instead of that, we are saying father has returned. We don't say the aunt wants to see you. We again omitted here article. We say aunt has on the aunt wants instead of aunt the aunt we say aunt wants you to see her. I hope it's clear to you. Now, repetition of the article. If I say, I have a black and white dog, here I mean a dog that is partly black and partly white. But if I say, I have a black and a white dog, then I mean two dogs. I mean two dogs, one black and the other one is white. Look at these sentences carefully. When I say I have a black and white dog, that means I'm talking about a particular dog. But though particularity is not there, but you can understand with this from this sentence that I'm talking about a dog which is partly black and partly white. But when I say I have a black and a white dog, remember here the article a is used twice. Indefinite article is used twice in this sentence. I have a black and a white dog. That means I have two dogs. One is black and the other one is white. Now let us compare these sentences. The secretary and the treasurer is absent. In the second sentence, the secretary and the treasurer are absent. Let us check these sentences carefully. First one is the secretary and the treasurer is absent. In the first sentence, the sentence clearly indicates that the post of the secretary and treasurer are held by one person. But in the second sentence, the repetition of the article in the second sentence indicates that two posts are held by two different persons. Let us check the sentence once again. The secretary and treasurer is absent. Look at the verb here. Helping verb is. That means we are talking about one person. The secretary and the treasurer are absent. The second sentence we are talking about two persons. The repetition of the article in the second sentence indicates that two posts are held by two different persons. In expressing a comparison, if two nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is used before the first noun only. For example, he is a better mechanic than clerk. Here we are talking about one person. He is a better poet than novelist. Again, we are talking about one person. Thank you. Do share this video with your friends. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Suggestions for the topics to teach are always Welcome. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.